Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best AC cleaning cover is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for your air conditioner, promising a cleaner, more efficient, and longer-lasting unit. This video will dive deep into what makes a great AC cleaning cover, exploring the features to look for, the benefits you can expect, and ultimately, helping you choose the perfect cover to protect your investment and improve your indoor air quality. We'll be looking at various designs, materials, and functionalities to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Leak Saver HVAC Mini Split Cleaning Bag. Say goodbye to messy mini split cleaning. This kit makes the job easier and more efficient, protecting your unit and surroundings from water damage. It's designed with a high-density waterproof fabric. This fully covers your mini split, preventing water overspray during cleaning. Everything you need is right here: a waterproof bag, drain pipe, support plates, and overspray guards. It's a comprehensive solution for a thorough clean. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the support plates, spread the cover, and attach the guards and drain pipe. You'll be cleaning in minutes. Made from durable, double-layer waterproof fabric, it's built to last and can be used again and again, saving you money in the long run. We offer a small and large size to fit various mini-split systems. Measure your unit to ensure you get the perfect fit for your needs. What we like? This kit boasts a fully waterproof design, protecting your walls from overspray. It comes with everything you need for a thorough cleaning. If you value durability and a comprehensive solution, this is the one for you. Number 4. Universal AC Wash Cover. This innovative cover is designed to make cleaning your air conditioner easier than ever. It's reusable and built to last, saving you time and money. Whether you have a small mini-split or a large window unit, it fits them all. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect seal every time. Made from heavy-duty PVC, it's waterproof and resistant to corrosion. You can use it repeatedly for years to come. Its transparent design lets you see every part of your air conditioner, ensuring a thorough cleaning. No more missed spots. The cover's unique design protects your walls from water damage during cleaning. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. It's incredibly simple to use. Just place it over your unit and let the large drain channel quickly remove the water. No extra tools or installation needed. What we like? It's designed to fit any size air conditioner, saving you the hassle of measuring. The durable material ensures it can be used repeatedly. If you need a versatile and long-lasting cover, this is your best bet. What people say? Great for any mini split to use for cleaning. Really keeps the water from running on your floor, if installed properly. This bag is very large. Works fine on a 24,000 BTU split AC with no issues. Draping it was not an issue. When hung, it drained with no issues into a 3-gallon bucket. To clean, simply rinse and hang to dry outside. Number 3. Air Conditioner Washing Bag. This innovative bag makes cleaning your air conditioner easier than ever. It's waterproof and durable, protecting your unit and surroundings from mess. Made from a high-density, raincoat-like material, it's completely waterproof and easy to clean. You can use it time and time again without worrying about leaks. The bag is constructed from thickened EVA material, resistant to dirt and wear. It's built to last, providing reliable protection for your air conditioner. Its load-bearing elastic design and thoughtful construction make it incredibly user-friendly. Cleaning your air conditioner will be a breeze. It's designed to fit a variety of sizes, making installation quick and simple. It's practical and convenient for any home or business. This cleaning cover is perfect for air conditioners in homes, offices, hotels, shops, and more. Keep your unit clean and running efficiently wherever you need it. What we like? This cover is made from a heavy-duty, waterproof material that stands up to repeated use. Its simple design makes installation a breeze. If you prioritize ease of use and long-term value, this is the perfect choice. What people say? This washing bag worked perfectly and eliminated a big mess of catching dirty water when cleaning my mini-split indoor unit. Good condition received. Tien buena forma, la manga es útil. Number 2. Split AC Cleaning Kit. This kit makes cleaning your air conditioner a breeze. It's designed for easy use and comes with everything you need. It fits most 1-1.5 hanging air conditioners with a diameter under 92 centimeters. Check your unit size before purchasing. The kit includes a cleaning cover, 5 brushes, a towel, a water pipe, and pry tools. Everything you need for a thorough clean. Made from waterproof PVC, it protects your walls and floors from water damage during cleaning. No more worries about spills. Simply connect the water hose to the drain outlet at the bottom to easily direct water into a bucket. Cleaning is quick and efficient. If your air conditioner's display is in the lower right corner, keep the cover from getting too close to the right side to avoid damage. What we like. This kit includes all the essential tools for a complete cleaning. The waterproof PVC material protects your surroundings effectively. If you prefer a convenient, all-in-one solution, this is ideal. What people say. Product performed as expected. Cleaned up nicely and stored for the next time. Very helpful and no water leak. Put it behind the mini-split EVAP and pressure washed the wheel and evaporator, inside unit. This and the battery pressure washer has saved US hundreds of dollars in service bills, and $50 to $80 a month in lower electric bills from blower fans that are several 100% blowing more air. My mini-split evaporator coils and fans are absolutely 100% clean and not a single molecule of dirt left. I am not exaggerating. Number 1. Air Conditioner Cleaning Kit. This kit makes cleaning your air conditioner easy and mess-free. It's designed to protect your walls and floors from water damage. Made from durable, waterproof PVC, it prevents water from splashing during cleaning. This keeps your surroundings clean and dry. It fits most 1-1.5 wall-mounted air conditioners. Use it at home, in the office, or anywhere you need a clean AC unit. Simply attach a water hose to the drain outlet at the bottom. This allows for easy water removal during the cleaning process. The kit includes everything you need: a cleaning cover, brushes, a towel, a water pipe, and pry tools. You're ready to clean right away. If your air conditioner's display is in the lower right corner, keep the cover from getting too close to avoid damage. Enjoy a clean and efficient cleaning experience. What we like. This cover is made of waterproof PVC to prevent water damage. It's suitable for various uses, including as a dust cover. If you need a practical and multifunctional cover, this is the one for you. What people say. This AC cleaning kit is just what we needed to clean our mini-split system. The product is exactly as described and worked great. It works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.